Alright, just a quick video of how to remove the four-wheel drive switch on a 99 to 03. Maybe some other years might apply as well. But, so let me just show you how I do it. I just get in here and I pull it off. Now there's some tabs under here, right here. This one looks like it's actually starting to crack a little bit. I've had this out before, but it was years ago. But anyways, that's how I did it. And you can lift this up right here and slide that out, and you can have access to the pins or anything you need for that. I'll throw up a drawing of this as well on what's in the switch and how you can test it. So, alright, to test the switch after you get it out, rotate it around so you can access the tab like in this picture here, and then lift up that gray tab there, pull the connector off, and then you can see the pins right here. Pin 1 is next to the little tab up on the left. Pin 4 is on the right. And they go from left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can rotate it any direction you want though. But to test the light bulb, you put your meter on pin 1 and pin 4. That's the two outer pins. And it'll read about 17.5 ohms for the light bulb. To test the switch itself, you put your meter on the two middle pins, and in off position it should be about 3.9 kilo ohms. In the middle or high it should be about 1.1 k ohms, and on the low setting it should be about 362 ohms. After that, if it checks good, go ahead and reconnect it, or you can leave it disconnected and start using the wiring diagrams to troubleshoot the rest of the wiring system for your four-wheel drive system. This is just a quickie. I hope you guys find it useful. Ask some questions below. I don't know everything about this four-wheel drive system, but somebody asked about this, so I thought I would just throw it up here real quick. Well, I hope that helped somebody. And God bless y'all, and Keith Nunn out. Bye.